Guys, here we go. We're at Rockingham Dragway. This is the first race on this racetrack. We're out here. Testing got canceled yesterday, unfortunately. The rain was in, so it just wasn't able to happen. So they gave us 4-hour window today to make some shakedown passes. So left home early this morning, 6 o'clock. Got to the track about 8:30-ish. Had to start working on the car a little bit. The track was looking interesting. The pictures looked like it had a pretty good rubber base, but it did not. The pictures were very deceiving. Track is super duper smooth, but it did not have much rubber on it at all. So it's one of those things. We got out there, we needed to test. Car's been misbehaving, so we got a lot of work to do. So here we go. This is the first 2 shakedowns from the in-car from my helmet cam. Check it out, see what you think. Later this week, tomorrow, probably, I'm hoping, we'll have the actual video of the whole race. May have to break it down into a couple videos, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.
Well, the Mustang on the left-hand side. That's fine, Tim. Right in the first spot.
All right, guys, well, it was driving left a little bit, but it wasn't super violent. Probably could have stayed in it, but we're going to need to do a little bit more rear steer or anti-roll bar changing on it to make it completely happy. Overall, though, that felt pretty lazy early. All right, it was dead hooked up. Go past number 2.
that felt pretty good. I was having to drive a little bit. I had to go back and look at the video. I couldn't really tell exactly which way I was having to drive it, but that was not bad, guys. Wow, it was very smooth pass. I was having to drive it a little bit, but it wasn't bad. I felt a little bit of tire shakedown track, but overall, not bad, not bad. All right, guys, pass number 2. That might be our first round tune-up right there. Woo, boy. All right, guys.